Hi everyone, welcome back to CyberChimps. Today I am super excited to show you how to add and style icon box widget using responsive add-ons for Elementor plugin. So if you want to enhance the design and functionality of your website, you are in the right place. So let's get started. First things first, make sure you have responsive add-ons for Elementor plugin installed and activated on your WordPress website. Once you have done that, head over to the Elementor editor by navigating to the page or post where you want to add the icon box widget. Now let's add a new section by clicking on the plus icon. From here, choose the structure you prefer. Now go here and scroll down to responsive add-ons for Elementor, and here you can find RAE Icon Box, or you can just search here RAE. So just drag and drop it here. Now let's start customizing the icon box widget. So as you can see, there are three tabs: Content, Style and Advanced. So first we'll go to the Content tab, and under Content tab you will find four settings: General, Image/Icon, Separator and Call to Action. Let's start by customizing the general settings. So click here. Here you can change the title of the icon box. So I'm gonna rename it to Next. Let's change the description, and it's done. Now let's go to Image/Icon. Now here you get two options. Either you can use an image or icon. So if you go to icons, here you will see a library of icons. You can choose any icon you want to add. Here you get to add the image, and under photo resource you get media library and URL. So if you want to add a URL, you can just copy paste it here, or if you want to add an image, go to media library. Now more settings will come up here. From here you can select the image, select the file which you want to add, and it's done. Then you can also change the resolution of the image. I'm keeping it full. Now you get separator. So if you enable it, you can see this one line over here. So if you want to keep a separator, you can just enable it. Now under Call to Action tab, if you click on Type, you will see four options: None, Text, Button or Complete Box. So either you can add a text and provide a link to the text, or you can use a button, or you can make the full box as a call to action button. Let's go with button, and here you can change the text of the button. So I'll make it read more. Here you can add the link. You can change the size of the button as well. You can add an icon to the button. Click here and then you can select any icon you want to add. So it will be displayed like this. Now you can also change the icon position. If you want your icon to be displayed before text or after text, you can change the icon spacing from here as well. Now let's go to Style tab. Now let's go to icon box container. So here you can change the overall alignment of the box. You can make it right, left or center. Then you can change the background type. From here you can change the padding. So I'm gonna make it 40. You can also add box shadow from here, and you can change the position. You can change the border type. I'm going ahead with solid. Then you can change the border color from here. Go here and choose whichever color you want to add, and from here you can change the border radius. Now under icon tab, you can change the position. You can make it below heading, left of heading, right of heading, or anything you want. You can change the image or icon style as well. Like you can make it circle, you can make it square, or you can design your own as well. Then you can change the width of the icon. Then from here you can change the background color. You can change the background style. Then you can change the CSS filters. increase the image opacity or decrease it according to your needs. You can also change the transition duration from here. Under typography tab, you can change the title tag. Let's make it H2. You can choose the typography if you click here, and I'm going ahead with Arial. Then you can decrease or increase the size as well. Yeah, looks perfect. You can change the weight, transform, style, decoration, or line height as well. Letter spacing, word spacing. Then let's change the color of the text. You can choose the blend mode. Then you can also change the typography of the description from here. And let's change the description color. And from here you can change the typography of the button. And you're done. Now under CTA hover settings, you can change the text color on hover. So I'm gonna make it white, and you can change the background type. I'm going with gradient. Let's select the first color here and second color. So now when you hover over the button, the color and the text color will change like this. You can also change the angle. You can change the border color, box shadow, hover animation you can put like shrink, or scroll, whatever you want. Now under margin tab, you can change the title margin, image margin, button margin, and the description margin. So let's just go and customize the margins. So similarly, you can change the other icon box settings as well. Just drag and drop the widget and start customizing it to your needs. So I'll just share an easy way to do this. Instead of adding icon box widget every time, you can just duplicate the one you have made. So go here, right click and select duplicate. Again go here, right click and select duplicate. And you're done. All the settings have been applied to the other boxes as well. Now just click on the box where you want to change the content and images. So I'll click here, change the title, and then I'll change the description, and then I'll add the image. And again I'll repeat the same thing with this box. I'll just change the title and change the description and change the image. So as you can see, all the changes has been applied to the other boxes as well. So now when you're done, just click on update and you're good to go. And that's it. With these steps, you can easily add and style an eye-catching icon box widget using Responsive Addons for Elementor plugin. The possibilities are endless, so don't be scared to get creative and experiment with different design options to make your website truly stand out. And that's all for today. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos like this.